Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how you can fix the missing .dll files. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, let me show you one application. So when I click this or try to install or run this program, I'm getting some error like the code execution cannot proceed because id3lib.dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. So I'm sure sometimes or someday you have faced this kind of errors which you have seen most commonly in your Windows computers. So how you can fix it, today in this video I'm going to show you. So first of all, you need to open any web browser and you need to go to this website www.dllfiles.com. On opening this website for the first time, you will see its web pages. So here, as you can see, shows DLL files. So you can type the missing files, as we'll go and check again what was that missing file. So it was like id3. So let's check out id3 lib. So we'll try to find this missing DLL, whether it's available in this website or not. So you need the internet connections. So here we can see id3.dll. You can click on it and download and install it, but directly you cannot install this .dll files in your Windows computer. So for this you need a software which can install this .dll file. So in my recommendations, you should download this .dll.com software so that you can install this kind of .dll files. So I'll be providing the download link of this .dll fixtures software's download link in the video description, so you can click on the video descriptions and download from there the DLL fixture software. So you download from the given link. So I'm not going to show how to download or from where you should download, so I'll be providing the download link in the video description again. So you download from there. So once you download and install it, you run the software in your Windows computer. On opening the DLL files picture, you will see the software user interface. So let me make you clear that the version which I'll be providing is the trial version. So in the trial version, you can install 2 DLL files, but not more than that. But if you want to install more than 2 DLL files, then you need to purchase the premium versions. So as you can see here on the top menus, status, install DLL files, scan registry, backup registry, and settings. So I'll not be discussing much about others, so we'll be installing the DLL files. I'll be just showing how you can install DLL files and fix those DLL problems. So we'll choose those missing DLL files again. So as you can see here, id3lib. We'll try to find by typing it again. Remember, you need an internet connection to find this kind of files. So you can get this DLL files, you can click on this and you can download it. So you can see here, so you can see advanced options also, you can copy or you can install recommendations directly, or you can see the all available versions. So you can click on the install recommendations. When you need to or you want to install that file, then you can click on the install recommendations and the problem will be get solved. So in this way you can solve this DLL problems. So in my opinion, you should try this out. If you're facing such missing DLL files, then you check this out and try by yourself. And if you have any problems regarding this software or how you can fix or how to use this software, then leave your comments below in the video descriptions. I will try my best to help and guide you using this software properly. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.